Hello friends, running kimono. We have a basket of Walgreens curbside and Dollar General pennies. So we're going to go through this bite by bite, and it's a really good haul, a little midweek haul. The weather report for you guys, I know a lot of you love to catch a glimpse of the outdoors. 90 degrees, and special hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, guys, so this is my curbside order that I put in. I finally went and got it today. We're just going to go through it. 2 bags of the U by Kotex, 2 for $5. 2 bags of the cheapy Epsom salt, and those are 3-pound bags. And then I threw in 2 baby Ruths, and I'll show you the method to that magic or madness. These are the Epsom salt coupons, which is the $3 off. And I think Epsom salt is a version of antiseptic. That's why it's attaching. You could use it for first aid to clean out a wound and such. Plus this $1.50 gem. And as the curbside, it's $1.99 per bag on a BOGO 50% off. If you buy it in store, I believe it's $4.99 a bag. So curbside is definitely the way to go. That is some exceptional savings. Okay, and the last digital coupon I have is a 4 off a 2 for the Poise. And I mean, who doesn't like to get pads that cheap? And it gets a little bit more free here in a second. So looking at the math for my basket, 2 of the Baby Ruths are $2.50. 2 of the Walgreens Epsom salts is $2.98. And then $5 for the 2 Kotex for a subtotal of $10.48. I'm doing this as a curbside pickup, so the minimum is $10. I have $6.48 of digitals that are coming off, and I just showed you them in the slides previous. One of the Epsom salts get reduced down to cost because there is no overage. So I threw in $4 of Walgreens cash and paid 18 cents. And then Fetch Rewards is giving back $1 when you purchase 2 of those Kotex. And I got 76 cents back from the Checkout 51 app. So my little haul was $2.42. I'll pay that all day, every day, especially for that Epsom salt. Like, what a great deal. Okay, and then here is my Fetch Rewards. Buy 2, get 1,000 points. So I'll take that all day, every day. And it's a really good app, guys. And U by Kotex is one of their partners, so they always have some sort of perk with that. So I like that, an extra $1 back. And then with Checkout 51, you're getting 38 cents back for each candy bar. So I got back 76 cents, so not too shabby. Now here's a basket I wish I could have done if I could have tracked down 3 of these Father's Day cards at $1 each. We have a 2 off a 2 and $1 off digital, making them all free. So I would grab 3 of these Father's Day cards, plus my 2 Kotex, plus my 2 Epsom salts. And Epsom salts, I'll let you guys know, I think the name brand of Dr. Teal's, it's almost like $6 and some change now at like a Meijer. So this is really, really dirt cheap, even for $1.99. Looking at the total of my fantasy basket, that would be $10.98. I'm doing a curbside pickup, so that's free. There's 36 cents of tax. My manufacturers that are coming off is $9.48. I would pay $1.86. I can use $1 of Walgreens cash if I wish. And then I would definitely get my $1 back from the Checkout 51 app for that purchase of the U by Kotex, making my transaction 86 cents. So that is like really good. And then just to show you, I tried it at a store in Texas and like boom, all these coupons came off. So if you can line it up that way, by all means, make it happen. And remember, these are curbside deals, meaning I ordered through my cell phone and then I'm driving to the store to pick it up. Pick it up at the photo counter so they will give you a paper receipt. Okay, guys, so let's talk about the Dollar General. A very extensive food list is out. So I did go look at a couple stores today. I did give actually a couple shoppers these Pillsbury cake bars because, you know, all I talk about is like the keto diet around here, but these are ringing up for a penny. Find them in the clearance section, and the 2 stores I went to, I found 1 at each, so I just gave them to people. I thought that would be like a nice gesture. So open up your Dollar General app and scan this to see if your store might have any in stock, or alternatively, you could punch in this UPC at the very top of where you would scan it. Pretty easy process, but I found these, not a lot, but a couple. And then this fruity roll, so I think it's supposed to be like a Fruit Loop knockoff by Clover Valley, which is the Dollar General brand, also ringing up for 1 penny. So how nice is that? And here is the UPC. As we're having a clearance event in a couple of weeks, some of this food might appear on the floor. Sometimes they pull it in the back, and then sometimes it magically appears on the floor. So especially if you have a lot of teenagers at home, definitely something to be on the lookout for. Also, the Mother's Day stuff, I found this right at the front on a display. Only these 2 little Mother's Day items, but a penny each. So definitely be on the lookout for that. You know, just like little cutesy things, $3 or $4 a pop. Here is one of the UPCs. As you can see from the label, it says S22, which is spring 22. So be on the lookout for those if you can find them. So special shout out and thank you to the freebie guy. This is the list that he came up with and he had on his social medias. And so if you just want to punch in those UPCs, the numbers that he has below in the Dollar General app. So instead of scanning it, you have the option if you go to the top to just punch it in manually. And as you can see, there's a whole host of Cliff Bars, the Clover Valley pastries. I believe Pop-Tarts were also part of it, along with the Mother's Day goods. Typically, when food is on the list, scan all the food that you might find in the clearance section. You might get lucky and find a bunch, and that's what I did with the cereal today. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!